Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to today's lesson on phrasal verbs in English. In this video, we're going to be learning about 3 common phrasal verbs that you can use in your everyday conversations. A phrasal verb is a verb that's made up of a main verb and one or more particles, such as prepositions or adverbs. These particles change the meaning of the verb in a way that's different from the original verb. For example, the verb pick means to choose or elect something. But when the particle up is added to form the phrasal verb pick up, the meaning changes to mean to lift or collect something. Let's take a look at our first phrasal verb, to look up. This phrasal verb means to search for information, usually in a reference book or online. For example, you could say, I need to look up the definition of this word, or I'm gonna look up the address of that restaurant. Our second phrasal verb is to put off. This phrasal verb means to postpone or delay something. For example, you might say, I'm so sorry, but I'm going to have to put off our meeting until next week. Or, I keep putting off studying for that test. Finally, our third phrasal verb is to get along with. This phrasal verb means to have a good relationship with something or someone. For example, you could say, I'm glad we're getting along so well. Or, I'm having a hard time getting along with my new coworker. These are just 3 of many phrasal verbs in English. It's important to learn and use phrasal verbs in your conversations to improve your English language skills and sound more natural. Keep practicing and you'll be using phrasal verbs like a professional in no time. Thanks for watching and see you in our next session. Pura vida!